Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today, we're zeroing in on a tiny fuse that plays a massive role in how your car steers. Yep, we're talking about the electric power steering fuse in the Ford Focus. If your steering wheel suddenly feels like it belongs on a tank, or you've got that power steering assist warning on your dash, this fuse might be your culprit. So let's get into it. Alright, first up, the Ford Focus MK3. That's 2012 to 2018. Pop that hood and look right here at the underhood fuse box. This bad boy holds the key. You're looking for fuse F40. It's a brown 5 amp mini fuse. Tiny, but mighty. It's what keeps your power steering assist alive and kicking. Use a fuse puller or needle nose pliers to gently remove it. Hold it up to the light. If that tiny metal strip inside is broken or burned out, it's toast. If it's blown, replace it with another brown 5 amp mini fuse, same color, same rating, no exceptions. Using the wrong fuse could lead to more electrical issues or even damage your power steering system. Now let's move on to the MK4. Model years 2019 to 2021. Ford shuffled things around just a little, but it's still an easy fix. Same drill under the hood, but you might need to see my other video to access the fuse. So here's the fuse. Look for fuse number 36. It's also a brown 5 amp mini fuse. Pull it out the same way, inspect it, test it, and if it's blown, replace it with the exact same rating. Remember, always disconnect your battery before working on fuses to stay safe. And hey, don't forget to check your fuse diagram under the box cover or in the owner's manual to double-check placement. So there you have it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for more no-nonsense car DIY guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We've got your back. Thanks for watching.